We have to provide them with skills so that they build confidence and so that they build resilience. What are we asking of our dogs? Well, we're asking dogs to ignore basically everything that makes them dogs, right? Dogs interact with the world by looking, right? They're always looking at everything. They're smelling. We know that smell is a superpower for them. And sound. They hear things we don't even hear, and they respond to them. It's how they interact with the world, and these senses are what keeps them safe, right? We're saying ignore all that. Focus on the task, concentrate mentally very hard for a sustained period of time. So what we need to do is just understand that, and we need to empathize with our dogs so we can understand, wow, we're really asking them to do something that's super challenging. I'm going to use the platform to help the dog override the discomfort of the human. Okay, so you can't even see the human. They're so far away from the mat because that's how I'm going to start. All right, I'm sending him to the mat. She's just standing here doing nothing. He knows her. I'm always going to start with a person the dog knows. Notice I started with the mat far away. Why? Because I want him to be right. So sport specific, bring the mat to class, bring the mat to training, use it for your start line stay. Use it as an anchor, right? Have the dog, if the dog doesn't like to jump into corners, have him jump and have him run to the mat in the corner.